Hello students, I will teach you about the solid and their property and classification. First of all, you know what is the solid? The solid which have the definite volume and definite shape. So the definition of the solid, the substance which have the definite volume and shape called the solid. Example: stone, iron, diamond, bricks, etc. Characteristic and property of the solid. First character of the solid, have the definite shape and volume. Second character of the solid, the intermolecular distance are very short. And third character of the solid, intermolecular force are strong. Because the distance is very short, so force is very strong. Next, their constituent particle have fixed position and can only oscillate about main position. This is because the intermolecular force is very strong. They cannot move here and there like the gas molecule and liquid molecule. So oscillate about their main position. Next, solid are incompressible and rigid due to the strong molecular force. Next, the density of solid is greater than the liquid and gases because their intermolecular force is very strong and distance is very short. So the density is greater than liquid and gases. How can classify the solid? On the basis of nature of arrangement of particles, solid are two types. First, crystalline solid. The solid which constitute particles are arranged in a definite geometric pattern in three-dimensional space called crystalline solids. In other words, you say the substance which constitute particle arranged in regular fashion called the crystalline solid. Example like solid of NaCl, ZnSO4 and some elements like copper, silver, iron, etc. In case of NaCl, their constitute particle arranged in a regular fashion and show the repetition called the crystalline. And next, amorphous solid. The substance which constitute particle are arranged in a regular arrangement are called the amorphous. In other words, you say the substance which constitute particle are arranged in irregular fashion called the amorphous. Example like glass, rubber, plastic, etc. Next, difference between crystalline and amorphous. First difference, arrangement of particle. In case of crystalline solid, the constituent particles are arranged in a definite geometric pattern, whereas in an amorphous solid they are not arranged in any regular fashion or in irregular fashion. Melting points. The crystalline have sharp melting point due to the arrangement of their constituent particle, whereas the amorphous melt gradually over a temperature range due to their constituent particle arrangement. They are arranged in irregular fashion, so shows the gradually over a temperature range. Isotropy and anisotropy. In case of amorphous like electric conductivity, refractive index, thermal expansion, etc. are identical in all directions. This property is called isotropy. On the other hand, in case of crystalline, the property like electric conductivity, thermal expansion, etc. have different volume in different direction. It is shown in figure. In case of amorphous, all property is same in all direction. But in case of crystalline, all property is varied according to the volume. Next, regular and irregular cut. A crystalline solid on being cut with a sharp edged knife give a clean cleavage due to the regular arrangement of their constituent particle, but an amorphous and irregular breaking due to their irregular arrangement of constituent